The Australian motocross community is in mourning following the tragic death of respected Queensland rider Joel Evans during third round of the 2025 Penrite ProMX Championship at the Gilman motocross track on Sunday, April 27, 2025. Evans, hailing from Kingaroy, suffered a fatal crash during the Mx1 Moto 2 race, leading to the immediate cancellation of the event. Emergency services were called to the scene shortly after the incident, which occurred at the Sandy Jump Heavy Gilman circuit located 20 minutes north of Adelaide's CBD. Evans was a well-known figure in Australian motocross, competing in the premier MX1 class since his ProMX debut in 2011. Racing under his team, Joel Evans Racing, with the number 81, he rode a Yamaha YZ450F and was admired for his resilience and passion for the sport. A career highlight he came in 2019 when he secured a third place finish in a moto at the Montague Sports at the ProMX Championship. Thanks for watching. For more, like and subscribe Top News.